Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're talking about a big decision, one that can truly change your daily life for the better: choosing the right power chair. It might seem a little overwhelming with all the options that are out there, but trust me, with the right information, you can find the perfect fit. The first step is to really think about your lifestyle. Are you spending most of your time at home, zipping between rooms? Or are you an adventurer who loves to explore the great outdoors, maybe a park or hiking trail? Your daily environment is your biggest clue. For indoor use, you want something with a smaller turning radius and a compact design. Think about tight corners, narrow hallways, and getting under tables. These chairs are all about maneuverability and efficiency inside your home. Now, if your world is a little more rugged, you'll need a chair built for it. Outdoor power chairs often have larger wheels, better suspension, and more powerful motors to help you handle varied terrain like gravel, grass, or even small bumps in the sidewalk. Next up, comfort and customization. This isn't a one-size-fits-all situation. The seat and backrest need to fit you perfectly. Your comfort is key to preventing fatigue and ensuring you can stay in your chair for longer periods. Don't forget the accessories. Think about what will make your life easier. An armrest bag, a cup holder, a rear basket. These small additions can make a huge difference in your daily independence. The most important step? Talk to a professional, an occupational therapist, a physical therapist, or a mobility specialist here at AutoMobility Store can assess your needs, help you try out different chairs, and make sure you're getting something that's not just a good chair, but the right chair for you. Choosing a power chair is about empowering yourself. It's about freedom, independence, and getting back to the things that you love. Take your time, do your research, and don't be afraid to ask for help. You've got this.